Welcome to another episode of The Customer's House, brought to you by...
Hey everybody, welcome to season 2 of The Customer's House. It is now 2025, and this is going to be our first episode that hits the airwaves for season number 2. Once again, I'm your window man, Eric Brinkman with Window Depot USA. And this right here is actually a duplex. This is the main door to go in. But if you guys can see these windows, the customer had twin casements put in. And then on the top one, since you'll see on the inside, that's a raised window. He did some decorative glass in that one. And so let's go on in and take a look at what the guys did. All right, well, here's the first entryway where you have both doors going into each side of the duplex. So I'm gonna go into the customer's. All right, here we are in the customer's house. Got a friendly little dog letting them know that we're here. Here's the inside of those windows we've seen from the front. Got the twin casement. All the casements come with this fold-away handle. So if you have blinds, it keeps that handle from being stuck out and your blinds hitting it. And up here, if you want to take a look at this beautiful decorative glass the customer chose. This looks really nice. Then I want to walk over here to the door. The customer got a French door. Now this is Mr. Kaufman, our customer.
Hello.
Love it. So he went with a French door, so it opens up on both sides. And he got it open. Sandstone outside, white inside. And on these French doors, it's just simply hit a lever, open the other side. Now he's got this huge opening to move furniture in and out of. Even though this lock doesn't have any purpose, it's still there, so when we got the door shut, it matches with the double handle. Perfect. If you want to actually walk outside real quick, we can take a look at the capping. All right, so here's the outside. This is the factory coming from Provia. They come with the aluminum already bent to go around here. The guys just had to add a little piece to close it off. Looks great. Let's go on in and take a look at the kitchen window. So here's another casement over the kitchen sink, nesting handle. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. When you unlock it, it's one locking lever, but there's 3 different spots on the window that open. I'll raise this up. And if you come over here, you can see the 3 points on the sash that when you pull that down, it's a lever that pulls a pin into each one of those. Then you take your nesting handle, nest it right back there. So one more spot. We're going to go ahead and walk upstairs. He had a 3-light casement up there in the bedroom, so let's go up there and take a look. Here we are upstairs in the upstairs bedroom. This one is a casement, picture window casement, so it's a 3-light casement. And the customer really loves this because it opened up the room. You can really see outside, lets in a lot of light, and really nice, just like all the other casements. Kind of gotta love it. And the customer kind of did a whole remodel of his whole house, did new flooring, paint, and everything. And before we wrap this up, let's walk on over here to the banisters, and you can actually see this decorative window a lot nicer from up here. It's a really, really nice. It's actually the first time a customer ever bought decorative glass for their windows. So this wraps up the first episode of season 2. Peace out, everybody.